again to show.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Long time no see. So I just received email that Bama got my last data log, and now they just uploaded a new revised tune. So let's go and download it. Alright, so while that's doing it, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video and just let it process. Alright, so and we have the file now uploaded. So I'm gonna go put it onto the car. Hey guys, so we're back at the house. I just left real quick to go do something real quick. But back at the house, I noticed every time I step on the brake, my brake is squeaking a lot. So right now I have the front passenger side tire off, and I just checked the brakes. It doesn't look like the squeaker is anywhere near touching the rotor. But what I'm doing now is I'm actually going to be taking off my 1-inch spacers in the front. I don't really need them in the front. I've noticed the car starting to follow the road a lot more with the cracks and stuff with them on. So I think for now I'll just keep them off, and I'm going to be taking all of them off anyways when I go to the track, because I don't want to run them with them on. So I think in the long run it'll be better, and I'll just wait to get bigger tires to make it look a little meaner. But for now I'm just going to take them off, and then we'll drive with them off. So that's dirty. So here's the squeaker right here, and if you can see the bottom of it right here and how much brake pad is still on there, it's nowhere near touching it. So I don't know why it's squeaking a lot. I heard most of the squeaking come from this side, but of course I'm gonna check the other side as soon as I'm done with here. But yeah, let's keep going, and I'm gonna clean this off and get it going. Hey, how's it going, guys? Update on my situation right now. So I'm just coming back from one of my buddy's birthday party bash over in downtown Charleston, and on my way back, I'm nearly home, literally about less than a mile from home. I hit something on the road. No idea what it was, but something definitely hit. I ran over something, it ran underneath my car and hit my rear passenger tire, and now I'm driving on a flat right now, trying to limp my way home so I can take it off and see what the damage is. I hope nothing severe. Alright guys, so here's the damage. It is a flat tire. I don't know if you can see that in there, but it looks like something hit it and ripped all this off right here, this wheel fender guard there. So, whatever it was, I hope it doesn't hit anybody else. Alright, let's get this car off the ground so the rim doesn't get ruined. Alright guys, I got the car on the jacks now, on the jack stands. By the looks of it, it doesn't seem like there's any damage to the rim. I hope there's not. It's still pretty locked in there, pretty solid. Hey, how's it going, guys? So right now we are at Enterprise getting a rental car, so Julie has something to drive while my car's out of commission. So don't be alarmed by what car you're gonna see. I was the one that actually chose it for her, so here it is. All right, thanks, y'all. Have a great day. 2018 Camaro, and she's gonna be driving it. Oh my god, I feel like I'm cheating on my Mustang. All right, I'm gonna go follow her. you have the keys? No. So she kind of freaked out a little bit when I told her that when you're driving a Camaro, most people say that you're just driving blind because of how little field of view you actually have in a Camaro. But she's doing alright. I am now inside the Camaro. And you can see how low this car actually makes you sit in the seat. There we go. That's better. How you like it?
It's okay.
She said it's okay. Now it's my turn to drive it. I'll be taking this thing to work to test it out.
Do you want me to leave? You're good.
You're fine. I'm gonna leave right now anyways. Here. Short people. Huh? No, of course, it's a sports car. It's supposed to. Okay. God, this thing is... Holy crap, I'm sitting up high. Hey, good morning, guys. What is going on? So I just got back from the dealership. I just dropped the tire off. My new tire is in. They said they can have it done in 20 minutes. But I'm gonna head home. I just got done getting some coffee at Starbucks. I'm gonna head home now just to relax before work. I hope they call me before I go to work. That way I can go get it, put it on my car, and I can take my car to work finally. So yeah, let's go. All I can do is wait now. I'll see you guys back at home. Hey, what's going on, guys? So it's the next morning. I just got done with the dealership right now. I'm actually still in the parking lot of the dealership. I just picked up my tire, and there it is, all ready to go back onto the Mustang. I didn't realize how much tread was actually on this tire because my other driver's side tire is looking like it's going a little bald. I might have to replace all of them now. Anyways, that'll come later. But right now, I'm gonna drive back home, put this thing on, and get my car off the jack stands. Alright, so update. The car is now back on all four tires, and right now I'm in the middle of doing a data log for Bama Performance for the new tune they just sent me. So this will be the cold start to idle, and I'm gonna be on my way to work right after this. Definitely tell the difference between the tread on this side. That's a new tire. On this side, literally no tread on that tire. So that's gonna be another investment I have to do to get new tires. It's always an adventure to take that trash can back. Alright, so guys, what I'm about to do right now, I'm going to lower the tire pressure in this new tire because right now they have it at 40 PSI, whereas all my other tires right now are at 30, roughly 32-ish. So I'm going to go ahead and lower the pressure in this so that way they're even, because I am feeling my car pull a little bit with the difference in tire pressure here. It could also be that because there's way more grip on this tire now, so I'm gonna go ahead and lower some of the pressure in here. All right, just finished. Now I'm gonna go ahead and save it and then head out to work. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. This video was actually recorded 5 days ago, roughly. It just took me a little bit to edit the video and actually post it. Been busy at work, so really had no time. But right now, the car is running healthy. It's running just fine. The brakes actually stopped squeaking once I took those wheel spacers off. I'm not sure if that was actually the problem, but as of right now, they're not squeaking anymore. and the engine in the car is running healthy, running fine. It's got a lot more power behind it now. I'm not sure what the numbers are yet, but I'm expecting to take it to a dyno pretty soon. Please subscribe, like the video down below as well. I'm always looking for some advice as well, so if you have any comments on the videos or any advice, please leave it down below. I'm pretty good at responding, so yeah, as always guys, stay safe out there.
Begin to show. Begin to show.